4 ways in which SIPs score over lump sum investments. Compared to making lump sum investments, systematic investment plans (SIPs) provide you with 4 distinct advantages. Avoids trouble of timing your investments. In an SIP, you invest a fixed sum regularly irrespective of market conditions. Whereas in case of lump sum investments, you have to figure out a good time to invest in order to maximize gains. You might get into trouble if your timing is wrong. Freedom from tracking markets. Unlike lump sum investments, where you need to track the markets regularly, in SIPs, you do not need to continuously follow the fortunes of the market. Easy on your pocket. In case of SIPs, you invest small amounts regularly, whereas in lump sum investments, you invest a big amount at one go. Don't need right timing of investment. In lump sum investments, you need to get the timing of your investments right. In SIPs, the average cost of buying a unit evens out over time, regardless of market conditions, enhancing your gains. Helps you regularly tap investment opportunities. In SIPs, you do not miss out any market opportunities as you invest regularly. In lump sum investments, you run the risk of postponing or exiting your investments fearing a fall in the markets. We hope you found this useful. For more, download our mobile app, visit our website www.fundumoney.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel and digital magazine Fundu Money Indian. Also, follow us on Instagram, Pinterest and SlideShare.